Hey, my name is Boton Bátor Bencsik from Hungary. I live the life fully. I'm a backpacker. So you're leaving the marina?
Yeah, we're leaving.
And you packed so many food.
Stuff.
Wow, that's a sad moment.
Yeah, it's sad.
Nice friend is leaving. Oh, you didn't see my new African map?
Your Africa map?
Yeah.
So you can sit here and shit.
Yeah, you take a shit and you read the map.
And you can dream of Africa.
I
So-
never had 4 people in my toilet before. But
So Germany never had colonies.
But why they put it on the map then?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just stupid. They think Germany should have colonies like I do. Do you understand that this has been a repair already?
Yeah.
Somebody tried this already.
Yeah.
So
They look nice. So.
yeah, these ones.
The rest are
We will see.
I mean, there is more here, you see?
This one here is dry. Okay,
Yeah.
these are wet. Now this major crack right here at the bolt. Okay, you got this big one here.
Yeah.
Then you got ones at the whole mast base. You got one here and one here. So these are literally the places that hold the gear.
and again.
And the same thing here, exactly.
What a beautiful life. Look through these eyes. What a beautiful life. Even if it's mine. What a beautiful life.
Hey guys, it's a new day. Yesterday I had a lot of fun. The previous week with the fasting. And then yesterday Nico came back and we had a great party on my boat. But then when a bunch of sailors on the boat, we started to speak about our experience. And we checked out the footage that I made when I was running on the land. And they said like, fuck, let's take a look on the keel. And the guys are like, wow, this doesn't look really good. This is cracked and fucked up. And guys, yeah, I just took out my engine because it's getting very dirty, so I just decided to clean it. So I pumped up the dinghy. And then I realized the dinghy was not used in the last 2-3 weeks. It was deflated and then it's leaking so much. Yeah, right now this is not a problem, but if I go out or yeah, I don't have a life raft and I need a good dinghy if some shit happens in the ocean. I think I should get a new one, like a real good one. So that's a new mission. Yeah. And today I'm going to a birthday party for my friend Richie, and it's gonna be nice, I guess. Woo! Look at this place, people! Wow! Yogi? Yeah. Trust att vi kan räfokus. Boom! Feeding the lizards. Oh, coming! Whoa guys, what a funny weekend with these guys in the mountains. Today is Monday and I wanted to leave today, but I couldn't because I still want to fix some things, some small little things with everything. The keel is not really good. I don't know what can I do. It's definitely not safe for a long passage. But I wanna travel because otherwise I get bored, and I never like to be bored. So today was fun. Look what just happened. when we were on the training on laser sailing boat training with Richie. It was fun. Yo guys, it's me again. It's gonna be a lovely day. I'm gonna take some people with me and we are heading to south now. So a lot of cool people on the boat and a lot of fun. Let's see what's gonna happen.
You go first.
Yeah, you can hold this one and then it's coming. Yeah. So guys, here we are on the boat. We have a guy who does not exist, so you're not gonna see him at all. And yeah, and then other three guys having fun. You like it? Yeah. All right. That's good. Boom! End of the day and no wind. They want to stay longer because it's a lovely day, but people has to move. Did you like the trip? The boat trip?
Beautiful.
It was great.
Thank you. It was really, really nice.
And this anchorage is so peaceful, so flat, so perfect. Such a lovely end of the day. watching a bird fly, you don't know where he goes. And you see him so free there in the sky, full of gold. Whoa guys, it's a new day. I think 20th of May. I'm on anchor. Nico is planning to leave. Smooth breeze. We're going just 5 miles away to another spot. Why not? Little jungle here. It's so hot. Yeah. We came almost together. Next time we're gonna make a race.
Yeah, because this time you lose.
Yeah, I was
lose.
It's just fancy restaurants all around. Tourists. At least a good spot to make money. A lot of money. Probably the sun is get me a little tan, and yeah, it's a lovely day to find some free food. Yeah guys, it's a new day, and yesterday we get bumped with a lot of food. Wow, what a lovely day. Yeah guys, it's a new day and I'm ready to do some breathing exercise in the morning where I'm gonna finish underwater, concentration, focus, and let it go. Let's go to the beach. Yeah, keep rocking and roll guys. If you want to support me on a PayPal me link, it's in the description below. Put a thumbs up if you like, put a thumbs down if you don't, and follow my journey, follow Word People. See you next time.